Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to redeem Google Play Store promo code, and now let's dive right in. Now to redeem a promo code on Google Play Store on your computer, first open up your preferred browser, as I've already opened the Google Chrome. And after opening a Google Chrome guys, on this interface, click on the search bar at the top of the screen and type in the address play.google.com and hit on enter. First guys, after opening your Google Play Store website, you'll be required to log into your account. Since I've already logged into my account, it's not asking me for a login, but in your case, first log into your account and again go to this website at the top of the screen and cut all of these extra text just beside the backslash over here after the play.google.com and enter the address play.google.com, give a backslash and type in redeem, redeem, and turn enter. And this box will appear on your screen guys, where you'll be required to enter your promo code over here. Enter your promo code whichever may it be, and after entering your promo code, click on the redeem button over here, and then that promo code will be redeemed to your Google Play account which you are currently logged into. And with that being said guys, this is how to redeem a promo code on Google Play Store. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.